So, let's see. Corn and cheese out of a vending machine. We have to try it, right? You mind? It's recording. Alright. It's really hot. It feels kind of good, but doesn't at the same time. Oh no, look, and there's onion, cheese, corn, soup. Hot in a can in Japan. Can you see? It smells just like corn. It smells like delicious corn. It's a little runny soup. There's some corn in there. Can you smell it?
I can smell it.
It's actually pretty good.
Really?
You want to try it?
Sure. I'm impressed.
Well, I guess if you're ever like, oh man, I could use like a little bit of brothy soup.
There's chunks.
There's chunks in there, huh?
There's chunks.
Yeah. It's pretty good.
Huh.
Nice.
I'm impressed.
Join us on the next one.
That's actually really good.
I am a fan of that.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see you next time.